that was me. I'm Repairman, man. That's right, I'm the Repairman. I can fix or do anything. Something seems to be wrong with that faucet. I can repair it. I'll repair it because I'm Repairman, man. And scene. Guys, my name is Pete. You've been watching Pete Does Voices. That was my impression of Kel Mitchell, okay? Doing his version of Repairman, man. From all that. Guys, if you think I nailed it, leave a thumbs up. If not, leave a thumbs down. Subscribe. Turn that notification bell on. I'll see you guys next time. Right here on Pete Does Voices for another day. This is day 146. Tomorrow's day 147, I believe. See you then. Peace.